In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bleed in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever prepared artwork for print, you've probably worked with bleed. Bleed is the extra space that extends beyond the edge of your artboard, typically used so printers can trim cleanly without leaving unwanted white borders. But sometimes you need to remove it. Maybe you're exporting for digital use, handing off a file to someone who doesn't need bleed, or standardizing a project that was set up with unnecessary margins. Today, I'll show you how to reset the bleed in your document back to zero quickly and confidently. Start by opening your file in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure you have the correct document active if you're working with multiple files. Once your artwork is open, head to the top menu bar and click File, then choose Document Setup. This is where Illustrator stores document level settings, and it's the place you go to adjust bleed after a file has already been created. When the Document Setup dialog box appears, look for the section labeled Bleed. You'll see fields for top, bottom, left, and right. Depending on how the file was created, these values might be linked together by a chain icon. If the link is active, changing one value will update the others to match. That can be helpful if you want all sides to be consistent, which is usually the case when removing bleed entirely. Set each of the bleed values to 0. If the fields are linked, typing 0 once will populate all four sides. If they're not linked, simply enter 0 in each field. Keep an eye on the unit of measurement displayed next to the fields, whether it's inches, points, or millimeters, just so you know exactly what you're changing. 0 means 0 in any unit, but it's good practice to stay aware of units when working in print. After you've entered 0 for all sides, click OK to confirm. Illustrator will remove the bleed guides from the document. If you had a visible red bleed boundary around your artboard, it should disappear, leaving only the artboard edge itself. This change doesn't alter the artwork on your canvas, it simply updates the document's bleed settings, which affects how the file is prepared for printing or exporting. If you're collaborating with a printer, remember that some jobs require a specific bleed. Only remove it when you're sure it's not needed. Otherwise, your artwork might print with unintended white